Hey Max Devs. I've gone through and cleaned up some of this stuff in here. I've straightened up all these lines. They look pretty good. There's some tries and stuff inside of here, which I'll show you how to get rid of right now. And there's one here and here and here. First thing I noticed that when I come in here, what you could do, and let me do it with this one really easy first, is I'll say these are. I'm just trying to show you some common things that pop up. Like if I want to make this, cut in half and then go straight to there so I can get rid of that try. I can do that, and I can do like a connect real quick like this and say okay, and then get rid of this one and collapse those, or I can even say no, deselect those, connect, and you'll see I have a line there, and then I can do the connect with the two verts. Or instead of dealing with the deselecting, it's just a quick step difference, is if you remove this first by backspace or right click and remove. If I come back into 2 and I do grab that same edge again and I say Control or Alt R, now it doesn't even go to these, so I don't have to deselect them. I can do a simple connect. I can do a simple, oops, I should probably say yes on the connect next time. Here, let me do that again. Connect, and then one, Control, for me it's Control Alt C, which is also connect, or connect. And I can get rid of that one step. Now, the other thing I want to show you is that when I'm down here, and by the way, I can do the same exact thing here. I would just, hide both of these, do a loop from here. So let me not hide, but remove both of these. So backspace, and then grab this edge, Control R. In fact, I think I can grab both of these and do the same thing. Oh yeah, except they'll connect there. So yeah, let's do them one at a time. This one, and if you'd rather do it this way, you can do it that way, and then this one there. Either way, you can do it with Swift Loop really easy that way, or you can do the Alt R. You can do it really precisely. But when you get rid of those tries, this isn't a try, but when you get rid of those tries, you don't have that same problem. Now I do have a problem because I have a center point here. So really, I messed up again. Let me pull this back out. All right, so I don't want to put one here for now. All I need is one. So I can take this one to there. And see, that's the kind of stuff you need to do. When you figure out that you screwed up, just keep going forward. How did I screw up? How can I fix it? Now I have the same thing. Now it's quadded all the way around. The other thing is I tried this one. I was going to use this one for the example, and I couldn't figure out why it's not going down in the first place. And if we zoom in real close, you'll see that this one terminates short of the top. And that was probably on purpose, though for the life of me I don't know why. So I'm going to get rid of it. So I'm going to take this vert mode, I'm going to target weld this to that, then believe it or not I'm going to get rid of this, backspace, remove. Let me do this one too, backspace, remove, and I'll show you something else. And then I'm going to do Swift Loop, Control D, and now you'll see Swift Loop only goes to where it can find a quad, and there it is. You'll notice that even though I have this one cut out and it's still stopping right there, well, one of the points that even when I remove if I remove a face like, or an edge like that, it doesn't in fact remove the vertice that it's connected to. So if now I have to target weld that down. But 2 again, or 2 and then Swift Loop to here, oops, not to there, that was bad, to here, 1, grab both these verts, and I can grab both these because they're not connected to each other, and then connect. And now it looks pretty good, and we can come in here. The next video I'll show you all the little cuts I'm going to make, and it should be pretty clean now. And that's all you're looking for, and I'll talk to you soon.